Hi everybody, welcome to CompuScholar's professional development webinar about wrapping up your CompuScholar school year and looking ahead to the next year. We're going to repost this important content each year in the April and May timeframe because we want to ensure all teachers know exactly how to wrap up your classes, what's going to happen over the summer, and how to continue with CompuScholar in the fall. We're going to cover four main things today. We'll talk about the logistics of removing courses from our system, and we'll make sure you know how to export grades and other items of interest before that happens. We'll talk about how you get access to our system over the summer, and make sure you understand how to read the licenses on your dashboard and get quotes for the upcoming school year. As you may know, we do delete all courses and old student accounts from our system after the school year ends. This purge is required by various student privacy laws, as well as data sharing agreements that we have with various districts, so we're essentially not allowed to keep student data beyond the time that you have a use for it. So again, we will delete all student accounts and courses from our system, and this applies only to public and private schools. If you're a homeschool or individual family, there's nothing you have to worry about. You're on your own schedule. So as a public school teacher or a private school teacher, what you should be doing between now and the end of your school year is exporting the grades from your gradebook and starting to think about license renewal. And our purge date is going to be on June 30th each year, so that's kind of the end of the school year. And starting on that June 30th date, we'll begin removing all the old courses and accounts from our system. If you're on your own learning management system like a Canvas or Schoology, we don't have any control over that, so you'll be responsible for deleting your own courses from your own system. And we will gladly accommodate any extensions, so if you have a course that you need to run further into the summer, perhaps for credit recovery, or you've got summer school going on, and you just need your courses to stick around a little bit longer than June 30th, that's totally fine, but we do need you to contact us and let us know. So all of you have a dedicated customer service representative. Please just contact your CSR and request that extension. Give us a specific date after which we can begin deleting your courses. Before your courses are deleted, there are a few things you'll want to do, including exporting your grades to a spreadsheet for your permanent records. If you're giving out the little PDF certificates to your students, you can create and download those. And if there are any other reports that you want to run or any other sort of work that you want to save, you'll have to do that before the courses are deleted. And let's go take a peek in our system to see how to do these things. I've logged into our system here, and on the dashboard we've got a few different courses. I'm just going to scroll down and pick a course. And over on the left is your gradebook. So you'll click on this if you want to export your grades. Just click on the Export tab. Select everything, or just the specific items you want to save, and then click the Download button, and that will create a spreadsheet that you can save for your permanent records. Back on the main course menu, if there are any reports that you want to run and save, click on the Report dashboard, and you can export those reports. And you can also click on this Completion Certificate link. You click on the Generate Certificates button, and this will generate a PDF file for each one of your students that you can download and save and give to your students if you'd like to. The completion certificate will show the student's name, the amount of the course that they completed, their accumulated grade, as well as the date, and have a place for your signature. Alright, so once you've wrapped up your courses and your courses are deleted, you may be wondering how you can continue to access the system over the summer. Your teacher accounts are permanent, so you can continue to log in at learning.compuscholar.com with your existing username and password. Nothing will change there. And you can do things over the summer, like enroll in our Summer Skills Professional Development session. You can access the courses for review or lesson planning, and you can manage your quotes. If you're in another learning management system like Canvas or Schoology, you should still have an account in our system for this purpose. If you have any trouble logging in, just let us know. Here on my main dashboard, you can see some of the professional development courses that this teacher is already enrolled in. And if you need to get access to the courses for review or lesson planning, just look over here under Review Courses. If you don't already see the courses listed here, just click on the Request Review Access button. That will send us a note letting us know that you need access to the course, and we'll approve that, and these review courses will last for 30 days. So if you need additional access beyond that 30 days, just click on the button again and we'll approve that as often as you need to. We hope you'll be rejoining us next year, and something that you'll want to take a look at is your current license on your teacher dashboard. You can look at that license to identify the type of license it is, whether it's a certain number of students or it's an unlimited campus license or some sort of district block. And you want to take a close look at that end date and make sure you understand whether or not you need to renew that license for next year. So back here on my dashboard, I'm going to scroll down and look under my licenses, and you can see this particular license is an unlimited campus license. I'm just going to click on it, and the pop-up will tell me when that license expires. So you can see this license expires on June 30th of this year, and since I know I want to use the curriculum again next year, that's my signal to start engaging with my principal or CTE coordinator or textbook coordinator to figure out the logistics of making that purchase for the upcoming school year. If your license is expiring at the end of this school year, you can self-create quotes in our system, or you can have your administrators contact us for help. Once you do create that quote in our system, you can download a PDF and send us a purchase order or purchase online. We do accommodate delayed funding. We know sometimes schools don't have funds until after your school year starts, so we're happy to help out there. If you have any questions, you can contact Chris Youst. That's chris.youst@CompuScholar.com for assistance. And let me show you where that quote engine is within your teacher dashboard. Just click on Add New Quote, type in the number of students you expect to use a CompuScholar course at your school next year, and you can then download a PDF of that quote for your business office. If the purchasing is normally handled at a district level, you won't have to worry about creating the quotes yourself. Again, just work with your principal or your CTE coordinator or textbook coordinator and have them reach out to us if needed to ensure that you have a license all lined up for the upcoming school year. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate your adoption of the CompuScholar courses this year, and we look forward to a great school year in the fall.